As the world is looking increasingly towards India for high quality, low cost solutions, CPHI and PMAC India is an ideal event to showcase the latest innovations and trends in the Indian pharmaceutical sector. At CPHI and PMAC event, you will get to meet the leading players of the Indian pharma industry, be it from the manufacturing side, technology, or the ingredient sector. And if you are interested to learn about the latest developments in this sector, then this is a must visit show. This event is happening at the India Expo Center in Greater Noida from 24th to 26th of November. I'm your host Raghav Khosla from Exhibition Showcase, and today I will take you through this event, talk to various participants, and show you the various highlights of this event. So this is the exhibitor list, which means these are the participants which are present at the physical format of this show here on site, and you can see the name of the company and their booth number. And this you can see is the floor plan of this event, where they have put down where all the stalls are, in which halls, where is the conference going on, where is the cafeteria, and what are the various zones that the organizer has created in this event. And here is the conference agenda for you for this event. It has the details of various panel discussions and important seminars that will take place through this event. You can also scan this QR code and see the detailed agenda and the list of speakers who are going to be here at the event. And if you wish to download the event catalog, then here is the scan code for you. So this is the hall number 1 entry, and we are going to go inside the hall and show you how many participants are there and try to meet some of the participants to understand what are they showcasing at this event. And this is the entry protocol here, where you have to show the QR code and then you are allowed to enter. So this is the contactless registration has been enabled here, where you can just check in through the special code which has been sent on the phone, and that will be scanned at the entry, and through that you can just make a entry into the corridors. It's a beautiful setup here at the India Expo Mart. This venue is located in the Greater Noida, beautifully built up venue, where a lot of provisions are there for safety and security of all the participants, keeping in mind the present scenario and the COVID pandemic. The venue and the organizer have taken adequate steps to ensure safety of the participants. This is one of the stalls here in hall number 1. So I will talk to some of the participants here later on. First, let me give you a glimpse of the event so that you can get an overall perspective about the event. This is the Supriya Life Science Limited stall, and they have made a beautiful stall, and they have used technology also very nicely to highlight their products and what all focus areas that they are into. As I can see, a lot of meetings and networking is taking place at the event, which is a great sign, because after a gap of several months, the physical shows have resumed, and it is good to see a lot of business networking, business meetings happening at the physical event. And this is what events, exhibitions, trade shows, conferences are known for. because they enable face-to-face interactions, they enable one-to-one conversations which cannot be replicated on the online format or needless to say on any format. That is why exhibitions, trade shows have a special place in my heart. A lot of footfall at the event. Today is the day 2 of the event, and as you can see, a lot of footfall is here. All the people here I can see are from the pharma industry. They are from B2B. We will talk to some of the visitors later on.
Established in the year 2011, Teltrade began with annual.
I am very blessed to see that the participants have actually taken out a lot of time and effort to build their stalls, customize their stalls, because stalls are your brand identity. A good stall speaks a lot about your company, and it is what differentiates one brand from another. And of course, we have a very big number of players who are into stall fabrication, stall designing agencies, stall fabricators, who are quite badly hit because of the pandemic, because the exhibitions and events had stopped. But now with the resumption, I'm sure that they will be quite pleased, and they are keeping their fingers crossed. And now we are moving towards the next hall, and the venue is built in such a way that you can pass through one hall to another without actually moving out, and all the halls are most of the halls are interconnected here. So this is the way to hall number 3, 5 and 7. This is Nosh Labs Private Limited stall, and because I have come at a time when I believe this lunch time is going on, so some of the exhibitors may not be there at their stall because it's 2 p.m. currently. So we have got a fair bit of idea about the show, and I've tried my best to give you some glimpses about the show. I hope you like our efforts. If you would like to continue seeing our efforts, if you like our channel, then please do subscribe. And because here we provide you the latest trends and what's all going on in the world of events and exhibitions. So you get to know what all exhibitions are happening in various parts of the country, and we actually go out and cover them through our YouTube channel. And we also have physical magazine. We have presence on social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. So you can follow us there and keep yourself updated from the world of events and exhibitions. So now let us go and meet the organizer of this event. This event has been organized by Informa Markets in India, which is one of the leading organizers of exhibitions in the entire world. Let us meet Mr. Yogesh Mudras and understand from him what has been the highlights of this edition.
Welcome to 14th edition of CPHI and PMAC. We are coming back after 2 long years and it's been a big break, but happy to say that the response has been totally overwhelming. We have nearly 550 exhibitors this year from 16 countries who are participating in this show, and we are expecting over the 3 days, we have already got 30,000 plus pre-registrations. We are expecting at least 20 to 25,000 people to turn out, and we have seen probably we have reached that number in a couple of days itself. So we have one more day to go, and hoping. I think it will be a great start. For me, I think this industry has really done well in this time, and it was very difficult, honestly, to convincing them to come back to exhibitions. But still, they have come out in strong numbers. We have managed to retain as many exhibitors as possible. Of course, the international element has gone down, because we normally see participation from about 125 countries, while this is only 16 countries. But having said that, we have managed to retain all the top brands. They have come in some form or other, either big booths or smaller booths or lounges, but we managed to retain many of them, and that's why there's that kind of enormous footfall. And I think this sector is seeing a lot of buoyancy, already growing with 15% per annum. The government is expecting this pharma sector to grow 3 times in next 3x in next decade or so. So there's huge growth potential in the sector, and we are happy to be in this sector and coming back and acting as catalyst for the growth of pharma industry in India. Thank you.
And now we are at the stall of Xion Life Sciences. Come, let us make you meet the managing director of the Xion Life Sciences. They are showcasing their offerings here at the exhibition. Welcome to our channel, sir. Please introduce us to yourself and please tell us what are you showcasing here.
Myself, Suresh Garg, Managing Director, Xion Life Sciences Limited. We are manufacturing nutraceutical, Ayurvedic, phytopharma, medical nutrition, and many more products for basically to the MNCs and pharma companies, and doing the contract manufacturing for them. Regarding the phytopharma, we have recently introduced a new product, Nero BDH, which is first time coming into the world for neurodegeneration, Alzheimer products. So that is the beauty. People, those who are old age, more than 50 years, they normally forget what are the memory. We manufacture the sports nutrition, which is for especially to the athletes. We manufacture in proteins, which is almost 90% is the deficit of the human being, so that we manufacture in the various. Diabetes is a special product which we have developed under our R&D, and this is a product for the Dr. Reddy, which we manufacture. Besides this, we are manufacturing a lot of products for the kids, which is a special pride for Xion, and we manufacturing the GeoGlow that gives a beauty to the ladies, because normally the ladies are doing lot of makeup, but this gives the beauty within. So after eating this, the natural beauty comes. Besides this is a immune booster, which is the latte mix, which is an excellent product to increase the immunity.
Hi, I am Omkar from Auris. So let me give you a quick introduction about our products. So this is oscillating granulator. This machine is used for granulating, that is converting bigger particles into the small particles. So this is a gentle procedure. In this there are rotating tubes which grind down the particles and make it into final products. So this is mainly used for sensitive materials which are heat sensitive and which require minimum wastage. So come here, I'll show you this another product. This is colloid mill. So basically it is used for liquid material which contains granules. So this machine blends liquid and the granules and converts it into a final smooth cream like texture. So this is mainly used for creaming. This one is multi-mill. So this also does the grinding work. So the basic function of this machine is converting bigger particles into smaller particles, which are used in pharma industry for tablet making, for capsule making, something like that. So after getting the finer particles, there is requirement of sieving it, that is separation of particles into the required particle size. So this is vibrosifter. It works on the principle of vibration, which sieves the material into different particle size. So we set different particle meshes into this material, and the products are separated according to the mesh size, and the final products comes out of these outputs.
Myself Arun Singh. I am from High Media Laboratories Private Limited. Basically, High Media Laboratories Private Limited is a manufacturing for dehydrated culture media and microbiology related product. We are a bioscience company, and we are a manufacturer for molecular biology segment, molecular biology kits, molecular biology instrument. Just like this is our latest PCR machines, real-time PCR. This is gradient PCR machine. This one is RNA extractor. So including all of this, we also have a microbiology instrumentations also, like air sampler. If I see you, this is a air sampler, and this is a just demo piece for culture media based, right? And this one is Petri plates, and ready prepared Petri plates we have also. Okay, as I say, it's a manufacturing for dehydrated culture media. Basically, dehydrated culture media it's a type of media for growing microbes like bacteria and fungi, and different types of microbes.
Who are your customers?
Basically, our customer is research, pharma, and hospitals also, and industries, food industries and something. This is a filtration range which is used for the pharma companies and research companies for filtration of microbe solutions.
This is the manifold.
This is the manifold. This one.
We can filter different solutions in a one-shot platform, and this one is a filtration funnel with the SS stainless steel. We also have this disposable cup, one-time use only. This is the high flow pump that we can use for microbiology lab, and that embedded with the vacuum pump. I am from High Media. My name is Rahul, and we are having all the instrumentation range like molecular biology, cell biology, filtrations range, and we are giving all the solutions to the CROs, hospitals, and the majorly institute for the cell culture, molecular, even though diagnostics. In the COVID time, we come up with the different instrumentation, RT-PCRs, gradient PCR, and the Insta-NX series of the DNA RNA extractor. That helpful for the COVID testings in the different diagnostic lab. Even though rural areas we cover with our diagnostic range, and it's very economic and helpful for a lay person that can offer the RT-PCR test. And we are continuously in the genomic sequencing as well. If you can see here, this is the high genome sequencing services that we are going with come up with the series for the sequencing, whole genome sequencing, and microbiology range that we have with us all the microbiological medias, ready prepared plates, and microbiologics ATCC we have, that helpful for the research purpose and for the microbiological stains that grew for the different bacteria and viruses. Thanks.
So we are at the other side of the event. This is the part which is an intermittent part where you can see the hall number 14 and 15 is over here, from hall number 9 to 15. 9, 14, 15, as you can see. And this is the place where the other part of this event is happening, the PMAC. And you can see a huge footfall over here as well on the day 2 of the event. So we have some seating area here. The organizer has created an open area. Here we can see people are having their lunch. While we also have entertainment zone here. Live music is going on, which is giving a good soothing effect for the business travelers. A lot of emphasis has been given on the cleanliness. We can see a lot of waste disposal, dustbins and all these things everywhere in the venue at various places. Lovely fountains and floral setup. So it is evident that if you are interested to understand about the pharma sector and you are a player in this industry, then CPHI and PMEC is a must-attend event for you.
In Pharma, and it is a Indore-based company. We are here to manufacturing third-party with several products. So it's very good. We find some very good manufacturer here.
Yeah, actually we are in search of good third-party manufacturing parties, and we are found some very good manufacturers here. So it is a very good event is there.
So if you would rate this event out of 10, so
Out of 10, we are giving 8.
8.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good experience, but still what we are expecting, it's more than that. The company coverage is very less, but still it's good.
So what was the purpose of coming here, sir?
Actually, we are supplying a lot of chemicals to the pharma industry.
So anything that you would like, any other feedback that you would like to give about the event?
Most probably we are looking forward that next year will be much more better. Let's see what will be the position for the COVID.
Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Nitin Vora from NJ Pharma. I had come here for developing our pharma business. The exhibition was very nice. It is very nice.
I am Naveen Mishra. I am taking care of international business of Otsuka. And my feedback for this CPHI, I think as far as finished formulation development is concerned, there are very few companies over here this time. Mainly, it's mainly focusing on APIs and packaging and machineries, I think. And the response today is good as compared to yesterday.
What was your purpose of coming here?
My purpose was to look for a contract manufacturing for our list of products for international market here. And as well as what we can manufacture as a manufacturer for other companies.
The organizer has also ensured shuttle services for the event. So here are the pickup points and the arrival time from various places in and around Delhi NCR. And similarly we have the drop points also mentioned here. So everything is very systematic. Very well organized event.
So in this episode, we tried to give you a glimpse of the event, and we also made you make few exhibitors and visitors. We also highlighted a few stalls, what are their offerings, and I hope that you liked our coverage. Do subscribe and like our channel because it keeps you updated with the world of events and exhibitions. Stay safe. Cheers.